Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS AIO coolers. So friends, ASUS announced that the selection of its all-in-one liquid coolers which will be fully compatible with AM5 LGA 1780 socket designed for next generation AMD CPUs, and friend ROG Ryujin, Ryuo and Strix LC coolers will fit via AM5 mounting kit, while TUF Gaming LC coolers will fit using existing kits. So friend, this will be fully compatible with AMD AM5 motherboard. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.